Shalina, are you there, Shalina? Okay, yeah. Okay, are you ready? You are in a different room where you're now staycation.
No.
You look like you're in a staycation. Okay, now I'm going to record your timing. So far, I think most of them have been tested. Okay, so I will record. Hold on. Okay, ready? And go.
45, 54,
54, good.
16,
16, good.
8,
8,
18,
18,
45,
45,
12,
12,
18,
24. 6 and 4, 24. Next one.
72,
72,
56,
56,
32,
32,
64,
64. Sorry.
16,
16,
49,
49,
10,
10,
14,
14,
25,
25,
15,
15,
28,
28,
40,
40,
21,
21,
6,
6.
16,
Sorry. Okay, never mind. This one?
18,
18,
12,
12. Okay.
9,
9. This one?
4,
Okay.
30,
30,
27,
27, sorry,
24,
24,
48,
48,
35,
35,
63,
63, 81,
36,
36,
36,
36,
42,
42,
24.
24. Well done. You're one of the fastest with 2 minutes and 16 seconds. The timing is supposed to be under 3 minutes. Well done. So we got to find out why you're not doing well. Can you explain? Are you panicking during? I have one student. When she goes for the exam, and then she starts to panic. Are you like that?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Then what happened once you panic? What happened? You fear, you worry, and then you forget, or how? You forget the formula, or you get confused.
Sometimes I get confused.
You get confused. Okay, so in your school, how many times do you have the exam? That means were there practice exams?
Yeah.
A lot?
Yeah.
And during the practice exam, were you as nervous as the real exam?
Yeah, some of the questions.
So okay, so we got to find a way to, because if let's say you practice, because I see most of the time you can do quite all right, right? So there's two possible explanation. Number one is paper 2. We have not gone through paper 2 at a high level because this class is generally we are doing all the basic stuff. But as we go to P6 now, we got to really zero in on the paper 2. That one is one. The other one is, I do not know whether is it really fear or panic, because I have one student's case like that, and yeah, okay, never mind. Okay, I'm gonna off my video for a while. You can stay on first until the rest come in, okay?
Okay.
Okay, but well done. How are you? All okay, not? Anything you want to tell me?
No.
No, you have full of secrets. Okay. All right. Okay, just a moment. We wait for the rest. I go and get something. Righty. Hey, Righty. Lollipop boy, where's your homework? You didn't give homework, ah?
Yes.
You see, now he's going to search the homework.
I did.
Apalah. You did homework. Have you sent me?
No, actually, I did.
You sent me already.
I did what? Oh wait, I sent the wrong person.
Aduh. Come on, man. Come on.
Is it too late to send?
Yeah, you send me. Just send me. Then I'll go to next week. Hello, Putra. Okay, let me start calling the rest. Okay. There's quite a number of people already. Faris.
Sure. I also wait. Let me share.
You forward to me, like, you forward to me. You must hand in homework because you know, I need to find out what's the issue. See. What book are you using? Reggie? My pals are here, is it?
Yes.
Okay. Let's hold on. Putra. Putra handing homework, right? Putra, you handing homework, have not? Putra pun belum handing homework lah. Apalah. Dah handing. Putra dah handing homework. That means I've got to chase everyone. Putra have not. Putra, what was your timing the other day?
What timing?
Your timetable. I thought I recorded. I don't know where's your. Do you remember?
What? You mean the night?
The timetable.
About 1 minute?
Oh lah, cannot be 1 minute. This guy. 2 minutes. I think 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay, never mind. We have to rest again lah. Okay, we are gonna go through, but let me get the rest. Myra in and.
Okay, I thought it's. Sekarang ni kan kotak dia nak simpan.
Oh ya Allah. Satu tak ada.
Okay, Naim is coming. Naim is Faris and Raidi in. Shafi, yeah. Listen, got to change the student every week lah. Shafia, Myra, Sharina. Okay. All right. I think quite a number of you have not handed in your homework. So I won't go through this week. I'll go through the next week. I want everyone to submit because you have no excuses. Holidays.
No.
Once school starts, you'll be saying there's too much work, right? So now you must make sure you complete it. Okay, but I'm not going to get angry. If you don't do, you just don't master maths, that's all. But don't your parents ask me, why is my child not mastering maths? Don't ask me that because you're not doing homework. Okay, we are, as requested by Mr. Raidi asked about quadrilaterals or parallelogram and so on. So we are going to go through that. Okay. So I'm taking from all 3 books. You are going to get it from all 3 books. So
sure. The my pal one I share is harder. It's like
my pairs and targeting are harder. This now we start with shaping maths is not so difficult lah. So can we try question 2A and 2B very quickly? Please don't say out the answer. Just send in your answers and then we Shafia is in. Guys, we only got 10 months to your PSLE, you know. See why holidays is I'm mentioning this? Because parents normally will get very nervous, upset.
dungeon.
Oh my goodness, I forgot. Okay. Wow, that's very fast. Okay, Raidi and Farish seem to be very fast. Farish also didn't. Farish, are you there? Farish, you have not handed in your homework also. So I do not want to hand the last week homework only hand in. This week I'm going to send to everyone again. So those who have not hand in. Okay, well done to both of you. So in class you're okay. Forgot to send. Okay, later you send. Okay. What about the rest? Come on. My parents forgot. You send me direct lah. You have my number, right? Send me direct. Shalina, wait. They're asking, wait, hold on, before we go further. DAC, we must be able to read. DAC is this angle on here. DAC is the center angle here, this one. This is, total Arab is 90 degrees, it's a rectangle. What? Take 90 minus 39, Shalina. 90 minus 39. You get first answer, 51. Okay, very easy, right? This is a right angle. How do we know? Because this is a rectangle. How do we know it's a rectangle? Well, let's read the question. In each rectangle. So this is 90, this is 90, this is 90 minus 39. This one, 90 minus 63. What do you get? You get 27. All right, so we are going to try now for the bottom one. Be careful, please. By the end of today, I must be very clear on this. Here we go, the next one. Find the unknown angles. JLK. Righty, very fast. Let's see whether you're correct. Mr. Righty, your answer is absolutely correct. Naimi, try Naimi. Come on. Try your best, Naimi. Farish, well done. Farish, you're very fast also. But today you look similar to Kashril. What happened? Farish, where's your face? Come, look. See, both of you look similar. Are you related?
No.
Which, I know both of you are Malays, but are you Bugis or Japanese or, you know? Kashril, what sub-ethnicity are you from? Do you know? Sundanese?
I'm from
Arab.
Malay, Indian, Chinese, in Indonesia.
All mixed. Oh, what about you? Farish, where are you, Farish? What about you? What,
I don't know. I
don't
don't
know.
know. Don't know.
Don't know. Never mind. Okay, come, you try the next one. Come. Naomi, believe in yourself. Do it, Shafia. You can do it, Shafia. Shafia got to focus, Shafia. Your homework has a lot of mistakes. So I need to... Okay, let's see now. Righty, I don't think your answer is correct, Righty. If you are. Okay, sorry, Righty. Your answer is wrong. Yes. Righty, three angles in a triangle must add up to 180 degrees, Righty. Naomi, you know how to do that? Hey, Naomi. Mimi, you know how to do or not? Okay, chef. Hey, why you call me chef? Chef is someone who cook in the thing. Okay, no problem. I'll be your chef. One day I'll go down to your house to cook. Okay. So the rest I'm not sending the answers
Is
fast.
it correct now?
No, it's wrong still. Okay. Let's see here. Very, very simple. This is an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle has two equal sides. These two are the equal sides. When you have two equal sides, there will be two angles that are the same. Which angle is the same? Is the one that is sandwich is different. This one is one line is the same. This one is one line is the same. The one is sandwich is one in between. This is the different one. This is different. So these two are the same. So this one must be 52 also. This must be 52. So how to find this one? Oh no. JLK. Do you want to find this one, right? Take 180 minus 52 minus 52. According to Righty, is 76. You can use your calculator, please. Can use your calculator. We are testing you on the concept. Down here now. Okay. Maybe you all do not know how to read the sandwich. Okay, please. I'm going to draw and I'm going to mark the triangle. You are supposed to identify which two angles are the same. Do not be cheated by the shape. I'm not drawing to scale. Okay. I'm going to label this A, B, C. Which angle is the only angle? Okay. There's two same angles and one different angle. Which one is a different angle? Can you send your answer, please? You must know this one. Let's see. Farish. Let's see whether it's correct. Raidi, what is ABC? Which one? Oh, you're saying BC as together. Shalina, Kashril, well done. Raidi, okay, well done. Shafia, and a few others. Let's see. Okay, come on, Naomi, make a guess. Which angle is different? There's two angles as the same. There's one angle that is different. Look at what I marked. Don't look at the shape because I'm purposely trying to trick you. Okay, so there's two answers. Some people say the different angle is A. Some people say the different angle is C. Let us see now. Let us see. Watch carefully, please. Please be able to understand this. Down here is the same. Down here is the same. That means these two sides are the same. The angle in between is different. So A is different. These two are the same. But I say don't look like it. Yeah, don't look at the look at the line. We try another one. We try another one. I repeat, the angle that is sandwiched in between is the different angle. Okay, now I try to make it the same. Okay, ready? Which angle is different? Okay, this is A, this is B, this is C. You must be able to do this. Which angle is different? Come on, Ayu. Come on, Shafi. Oh, very fast. Okay, well done, Shalina. Well done, Kashril. Wow, Kashril, very fast. Well done, Farish. All this is now. Good, good, good. Well done, Raidi. What about the rest? Come on. You can do this. You have to first of all believe to succeed in maths or anything. You must first of all believe that you can get it correct. If you believe in your heart you are lousy at maths, you must change that belief. You cannot play a game of soccer and say we will surely lose. Imagine now, UFC fighter, boxer, they go inside the ring. Wow, surely going to be beaten up. You'll be beaten up. You cannot believe that you're going to be beaten up. Okay, now down here, watch. This is the same as this. Sandwich angle is here is C. This sandwich angle is different angle. These two are the same angle. Okay, so I hope you get it. We don't get it. Well, let's hope you get it. Okay, now you look at it. You look at this B lah. Come on, look at this B. How come you are getting wrong for B? Which one is different? Which one is the same? You know. Try B, please. Ready? You understand, ready? Ready says, I'm waiting for the multiverse Spider-Man. Am I correct?
Everything.
Everything. Yes, you will get a decimal, Mr. Faris. Believe in yourself. Welcome, Ms. Omaira. Omaira, why you look so that we came in, you do. That's a Korean look. Korean, then like to accuse. No, I'm not saying you're trying to accuse. I'm just saying. Well done, Raidi. Well done, Farish. What about the rest? Come on. Shalina, believe in yourself, Shalina. Naomi, try. Don't give up, Naomi. You're looking down. I do not know what you're looking at. I'm looking at my book lah. Hey, don't shout lah, please. I didn't say anything, but it's in your head. Come on. What about the rest? Shafia, come on. Okay, the rest are those who have answered already. Kashril, you know what to do, no, Kashril? Which two are the same, which two are different? The sandwich angle is the different angle. The sandwich angle is the different angle. Your answer will have a decimal. Please use a calculator. Please use abacus or whatever you need to abacus. Calculate. Allah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah.
Do the A, right?
Yeah, the ABC lah. Shalina, well done. Okay. I'm going to do together. Now we ask Kashril. Which angle is different? RPQ. Which one is different?
R.
R is different. Good. These two are the same. So they have scientific calculator. Use your phone. Okay, no problem. No problem. You don't really need a scientific. You just need a calculating machine. So take 180 minus 41. You minus the different angle. When you minus different angle, you get 139. So these two angles are the same. You divide by 2 lah. You divide by 2, say I don't get a I get decimal. Never mind, 69.5. That's your answer. This one is 69.5. This one is 69.5. No worries. No worries. Okay. My whole aim now for you is the PSLE, you know. Okay, so I want you to be able to make it. And yeah, I have one student this year. I taught her 2 months, but 1-to-1, 2 months or 3 months. And she was getting 20 plus. 20 plus, no? It's very, prelim she got 20 plus also. You think she can pass or not? She got AL6 for the first time in few years. But some, I really believe they can get that thing, but they did not pass. So never mind. You look at it long term. You are going to do well. Most of the students I'm teaching now, by the time they reach secondary school, they do quite well. No, normally lah. Okay, so I'm now going to go to my pals are here. They have classified the quadrilaterals. Means quad means what? Okay, quad means 4. 3 is what? Three.
Trio.
You have tricycle, trio. Good. This is 3. This one is quad is 4. Then what? 2 is what? 2 is what? 2.
Duo.
No, duo. B, bicycle. 1, uni lah. Oh no, 1. So but B or bi is 2. Tri is 3. Quad is 4. So now we are going to classify them into different types of shapes. Okay, let me see. Someone has sent me a message. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means 4-sided figures. 4-sided figures. Okay. Triangles means 3-sided figures. 2-sided figure cannot have this. 2-sided figure is what? A straight line. A line. Okay. Now.
No, this is a no.
Okay. So hold on. I'm going to draw for you something. The problem is this topic I teach some teachers and tutors, they also get wrong. You know why? Because the poster you have been learning from young will tell you it's wrong. Yeah.
I do this book finish already.
Alhamdulillah. You trapezium look like a bowl. Is it true? So now I'm going to ask you now, okay? Let us go one by one. If you want to take notes, please take notes. So down here now. I have, yeah. Oh, I'm gonna reduce.
This isn't a trapezium. That's parallelogram.
But okay, so we come down here. We come here.
Parallelogram.
I'm gonna ask you. I'm gonna give you the real concept. Okay, the real concept. Okay, don't be confused. This is 5 cm. This is 5 cm. This is 5 cm, and this is 5 cm. This is right angle. What you call this? Same. Hello? You call this what? Square. Farid says square. Can I call it rectangle?
No.
Okay, I'm going to see a vote. Shalina, can call rectangle? Cannot. Kashwar can call rectangle or not? Cannot. Farid, square can I call rectangle? Cannot. Now you mean square can I call rectangle? Can. Shafia, square can I call rectangle? Raidi, square can I call rectangle?
Probably yes, but
okay,
if
yes,
you
but
move
it's okay.
if you move the below a little bit, then yes, you can.
Move the below. No, let's say it's
Yes.
like all the same. Umaira, can I call it a rectangle?
No.
Okay. So I want you to understand very clearly what is a rectangle. I draw a rectangle. You tell me.
Two sides. Okay.
2 sides are parallel, correct? You
Yes.
have 90 degrees, all 4 sides 90 degrees.
No,
All
but
4
then
sides 90 degrees. All 4 sides 90 degrees. Opposite sides parallel. Opposite sides parallel. Opposite sides parallel. Opposite sides parallel. This is a rectangle. No. Oh, Farid side. Okay. This is a rectangle. So you say, Alamak, all my years in kindergarten they show me square. Now this teacher is saying rectangle. It is a special rectangle. And this special rectangle is such that the length and breadth are the same. So we call it a square. Do you understand? This is a special rectangle. This is a rectangle, but this is a special one where the length and breadth are the same. So I do not want you to think, this one rectangle now this one 7 cm, 7 cm, this one 4 cm. And now I make it smaller, 6 cm, 4 cm, still rectangle. And then 5 cm, 4 cm, still rectangle. Now I make 4 cm, 4 cm, no more rectangle, square. Then I make it shorter now, 3 cm, 4 cm, now rectangle. No, this is a rectangle, but a special rectangle. So far, are we okay? You must understand what's the definition. Two definition. All four sides of rectangle, rectangle. All four sides, right angle, opposite sides, parallel. So this is all four sides. Angles are right angle and opposite sides are parallel, but a special rectangle. Okay, now. It's like twins lah. You say you have twins, the child, this one human being, this one a child. This one twins, not child. No, twins also child. Okay, now next one. What is a trapezium? Anyone can tell me trapezium? Trapezium, what is trapezium? Someone say it's a bowl, like that bowl. This is what you see in a drawing, but is this the definition? Parallel, like that. You're right, this is a trapezium. I draw a rectangle, is it trapezium? Now I'm confused. So what is the definition of trapezium? Trapezium is four-sided figure. Four-sided figure. And one set parallel. Well, one set parallel, okay. So trapezium. All right. But now let's say now, for example, okay, let's say you see a rectangle. Okay, we rectangle now two sides. So not okay. Maybe if you're going to define that way, then a rectangle is not a trapezium. But if you define as at least one side parallel, this one also become trapezium. But okay, don't get confused. This one is a rectangle. Is this a parallelogram? We asked Raidi. Raidi was the one request for this topic. Now he's looking somewhere else. Raidi, is a rectangle a parallelogram or not? Didi? Raidi?
Yes.
Yes. Why? What is a parallelogram?
Parallelogram means like there's two sides going to the front, but then that never touches.
Okay, parallel lah. Both opposite sides parallel. Opposite side parallel. It's true, a rectangle is a parallelogram, but it's a special parallelogram that all four angles are 90 degrees. You understand? Okay, I think you have been programmed from young, looking at a chart. Say, okay, I'm going to draw you different. You tell me whether it's parallel trapezium or not. Bowl shape. Upside down bowl. I call this A. I call this B. Now next one, watch. Let's see now like that. Are all these parallelograms or not? Any one of them not parallelogram? You can tell me anyone. You can put in the chat or you can shout out. Shafia, any one of them not a parallelogram? Myra, come back. Myra, I know you just came back from outside. Don't go outside again. Shalina, any one of these not a parallelogram? Kashril, Faris, or all parallelogram? We agree na? No. Okay. One person says C is not parallelogram. No, sorry. I used the wrong word. Trapezium. Which of these is not a trapezium? Sorry, Which of these? Okay, someone says C. C is not a trapezium. Anything else not a trapezium? D. D not trapezium. What is
I did not. I say yes.
Yes. What is a trapezium?
Trapezium means like, so trapezium is when it fits. Like, what's it called?
Okay, very clear. The word is not a trapezium. Okay, Farid say, all these are trapezium, but this word not trapezium. I think he's correct. This is a trapezium. Why? What is a trapezium? Four-sided figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only one set of parallel sides. This one got one set, this one got one set, this one got one set, this one got one set. All four are trapezium. It doesn't need to be bowl shape. Huh? It can be like that, you know. It can be like that. So long as the one set parallel is a trapezium. But you are not used to this. You don't see this in your poster. Normally they show you like that or like that. That is why you're so used to seeing trapezium is like that. So long as one set parallel, this is trapezium. Okay, I think I don't need to go further. You can go in because Kashrel is doing something else. His eyes are like that. Of course, I know what you're doing. Come on, focus now. Your P6 is coming. Who's this? Umaira coming in again. Okay. Farish, what you're doing? Dancing, Farish. Okay. Is this a trapezium? Yes or no?
Yeah.
We do not know because they don't tell us whether it's parallel or not. But I say it looks parallel. We do not know. We do not know. You see, if I use a ruler, I'm not allowing you to use a ruler. So for me, if this is parallel, one side parallel, it is. That's it. Is this a rhombus? What's a rhombus? What's a rhombus? Okay, now we got to go in now. Okay, can you take
Slanted square.
Slanted square. Okay, that's what I say sometimes, slanted square, but that's not a real definition. Huh? Okay, rhombus versus square. Okay, what is a rhombus? Four-sided. Four-sided. What else? Anything else not rhombus?
Two pairs of parallel lines.
Yeah. Yes, two pairs of parallel lines. Okay, all right. Two pairs of parallel lines. So far, this one is a parallelogram, right? So one more quality. All sides the same. All right. Down here is the same one. A square is four-sided. Two pairs of parallel lines also. All sides the same. A square is also a rhombus, but rhombus down here must be 90-degree angle. Down here can be any degree angle. So squares are rhombuses also. Not only Senget square. Senget square are rhombus. Normal square is also rhombus. Okay, we come to this. I hope you are getting it okay. Maybe I got it. Okay. Is this a rhombus? Let's assume it's all the same. Yes, it is. Is this a parallelogram? Let's say parallel.
Yes.
Yeah, then it's because opposite side parallel. Okay, this one maybe I don't go through lah. Okay, okay, here we are. We go through this one. They tell you that is parallelogram. So please find out what is A and what is B. Okay, well, very fast. Who is this? Alrighty. Okay, righty. First one is okay.
I confirm did not look at my paper.
What paper? You mean your school book? The fact that you mentioned that means that school book with all the answers is nearby. And if I snap my fingers and it's true, you can't control yourself, but you will giggle. Oh my goodness, his book is just beside him. Very scared. Very, yeah. Okay, come. Well done, Naomi. Well done, Naomi. Come on, what about the rest? Come on, what about the rest? Kashril, stop looking at whatever you're looking at. Cartoon or what? I'm looking at something else. Don't look at those things. Not good for your eye. Come. Shafia. What's A? Shafia, come on. Okay, Farish has given the answer straight. Well done, Farish. Congratulations. Okay, we are waiting for the rest. Come on. A is very easy. Shalina, come on. Kashril, well done. Okay, both of you got it correct. Shalina, Kashril, this is for 36. Well done. Opposite angles are the same.
Vertical opposite.
Yeah, vertically oblique. Oh, yes, well done. Sorry, I have not said it correctly. As Mr. Kashril said, vertically opposite angles are the same. So these two are the same. And now what about this last one? B.
You minus.
Minus. So minus you get what minus what?
180 minus.
Okay, so these two add up to 180, yeah? Add up 180, you take 180 minus 135. No, please take a note. Please take
45.
note down here. 45, well done. This B, I can put it down here exactly. It will fit like a jigsaw puzzle. So this plus this equals to 180. You minus 45 degrees. Well done. I do not know whether you get it or not. Maybe those who are answering are the one getting it. Okay, this one now, please tell me what C and D. Not tell me, Umaira is still coming in and out. Please send your answers, please. Come on, come on, come on. Righty. Okay. What about C? Well done, Kashuri. Congratulations, Righty. What about us? Come on, fast, fast, fast. Naomi, well done, Naomi. Well done. You are into the game already, Naomi. You are a real player one. And that's not a Singlish word. Huh? Come on, come on, come on. Shalina, Shalina, Umaira.
Your answer correct.
Yeah, your answer is absolutely correct. It's the most beautiful answer I've seen. Well done. Well done, Shafia. That's the way. That's the way. Well done, Naomi.
Sure, I learned how.
Huh?
Sure, I learned how to say hello. How are you in Japanese?
Okay, can you say
I
Japanese?
mean, yeah. 안녕하세요.
Hey, that's not Japanese, huh?
I mean,
That's Korean.
not Korean. Sorry, Korean. Yeah.
Okay. What was that?
안녕하세요. 전 수카.
Okay, you sound like a Japanese boy. So a Korean boy. Okay, well done, Farish. So very easy, yeah. Vertically opposite angle, as Mr. Kashra said, is 76. And then these two angles add up to 180 side by side, complete side angles. Take 180 minus 76, you get 104. Please use your calculator. I do not want you to use mental calculation and it takes too long. Okay, we move on. Well done. Later, I'll show you how to join the real Squid Game. If you want to, if any of you want to join the Squid Game, I'll show you how to join. Shalina, you want to join? Shalina?
Mr. B Squid Game. Mr. B Squid Game.
No, it's a real Squid Game. This one is not your sister masak sotong, masak kicap. Oh, no, I'm not that. Real Squid Game. Real Squid Game. Okay. Naomi knows lah. Naomi. I think.
Wait, so you can actually die?
Yes. I'll show you how to do it. But if you actually join and then something happened to you, please don't blame me. Can you try now? Question E and F. D and E. But we want to find E and F. What lovely hair you have, Naomi. Okay. Alrighty. Righty. Kashril, correct. Righty, Kashril, well done. Very fast, well done. Righty, next one. Hold on. I think Righty, the second one is not correct. Yeah, I think it was not correct. Okay, Shalina, first one, right. Kashril, I already mentioned, right. Shafia, well done, right.
Sure, but the E?
E, you are assuming both of them are the same. You tell me vertically opposite angles are the same. Are these vertically opposite angle?
No.
No, not the same. This one is 73.
Right.
Come on, Naomi. The second one, Naomi. Okay. We go the first one. First one first, huh?
Done, sure.
Okay. I'm going to check your second
Done,
attempt.
sure.
Okay, I'm going to check your second and watch. This is 144. Now, according to the law by Professor Kashril, this is vertically opposite angle. Naomi, this and this are the same. This is 144. So 60 plus what equals to 144? You can find E. Take 144 minus 60. And according to all the students, some of the students who have done this correctly, is 84. If you don't believe, take 84 plus 60, you get 144. Now for the next one, let's see. Well, some say 107, Righty say 46. You have other answers. What about Farish? Okay, these two angles. Can I go toilet? Please go toilet lah. Okay, this plus this is equals to 180 degrees. Step one, take 180 minus 73. What do you get? You get 107, which means this angle here add up to 107. Take 107 minus 61. What do you get? You get 40.
So I missed one step.
40 what? 46. Righty, congratulations.
I wish
You missed one step. What was your? Oh, you forgot to minus. So the rest, I hope you know how to do it. Other than righty, let me see who else got correct. No one. Hey guys, come on, guys. This one is considered level 1, level 2. No? Your PSLE, you know your PSLE scores. How is it like?
achievement level.
No, if you are doing normally,
Normal
you
cat.
just pass. It's just the same like almost everyone. You want to get high points, you must go up higher than
I know.
75. 10 people can see, wow, this guy is AL4, AL3, AL2, A1. They are actually trying to pick and choose the most intelligent. So if you want to do well, you got to do very well. Okay, next one. Right after this at 6:15, I will show you how to get to Squid Game. But if you actually go again, I repeat, you don't blame me. And I got a feeling that Myra has gone already. Good thing now, Myra. Myra, come back, Myra. Let me see. Well done, ready? Well done, Farish. But let me just check. Let me just double check. Well done. Well done, Professor Castro. Wow. He's the one that came up with the vertically opposite law. Well done, well done.
My answer is correct.
Yes.
Oh, serious?
Why are you shocked?
No.
Of course, it's not drawn to scale. You're gonna assume it's 90. Now you gotta check. You gotta find out what this is first.
So you can look at the picture correctly.
Yeah, it looks as if it's 90, right?
Yeah.
So you find out what this is. 180 minus these two, you get 90. So that means this one is also 90. These two will add up to 90. This one is also 90. Lah. I just said the answer. Yes, I just said the answer. I'm so sorry. Okay. All right. It's not too tough, huh? Okay, we wait for Umaira to come back to see whether she can go toilet. Why everyone want to go toilet? Go. It's a sign that you are bored. You say, hey, toilet is more fun, no? I can play with brown things, smelly things inside. I can rub, take this and that, whatever stuff. Okay. All right. Question A and B. Well done, Farish. Well done, Professor. Well done, Righty. Come on, the girls. Come on. Catch up, girls. Well done, Sonuna. Righty, colors mistake. Well done, Professor. You have overtaken Righty. Well done, Naomi. Hey? Yeah, well done. Well done, Righty. Well done, Naomi. Oh, no, you made the same mistake. This is vertically opposite. Remember Professor Castrell's method. 57, this one is 57. Not Q. These two add up to 180. Naomi. Shafia, which question is that? First one or second one? Okay, opposite down here, this is 125, vertically opposite. This one, take 180 minus 57. 180 minus 57, you get 123. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, Farish will give 1, 2, 3 all the way. We do one last question. One last question before I bring you to. Okay, very quickly. If you get this wrong, anyone get this wrong, that means we have to do one more question. But don't blame the person who get wrong. Go toilet. Your spelling for toilet is also wrong. I say you can go already, Shafia. Well done, Prof. Well done, Righty.
Wait, wrong answer.
Right answer. Why? Now is wrong answer. Righty, I just sabotage. Yeah.
Who's first?
Professor is first.
Yeah.
Okay. Naomi, how you get people?
Now we have to do
180
another
minus this.
question. You're
Yeah, we have to
welcome.
do.
Now we have to do another question, right, Joe?
Yeah, you have to, because there's one boy who made a mistake. Take 180 minus 127. You will get almost that number, Naomi. You get 53, not 54. Don't worry, another boy also did the same mistake. Okay, we move on to the next one.
I sabotage.
Well done. Yeah, he sabotaged. They don't sabotage, saboting. Okay, come this one. This is what we call a rhombus. Faris, where are you, Faris? Come into the. I can't see you. What happened? Why are you showing me the ceiling? So bad. Now you showing me a lizard up there. The lizard. Okay, let's see. Righty has given an answer. Let's see what is correct. And so sorry, Mr. Righty. I must say you are Carelles. Well done, Farish. Well done, Professor. I am now going to remove something so that some of you, those who cannot see, with eyes to see, you will soon be able to see. Naomi, you got to check. Okay, I'm going to remove this now. Watch, I'm going to remove this. Come on, you can find what it says. Very, very simple. Very simple. Come on, guys. It's simple. This is what that triangle. This is what we call an isosceles triangle. You have one side the same, another side the same. So which is the different angle? Let's draw it. The sandwich angle is a different angle. Which is a sandwich angle? Oh, sandwich angle is here. Means these two are the same. These two are the same. That means it's 52. Congratulations on both of you. Who? Raidi and Naomi. You get it, right? Oh,
No.
You don't get it? Why?
I don't know.
Okay, this is okay. I tell you why you don't get it.
I just want to sabotage.
Why you want to sabotage? Oh, you don't want to go to
Because
sleep?
I can. No, I want, but then I just read the anime world.
Oh, don't be like that. This is okay. I am now going to show you. This is a true story. Okay, you're not going to believe it. Naomi knows about this, so Naomi, don't tell the rest. Okay, so I'm going. Anime is the best. Okay lah, anime of this.
Yes, it is. It is. I agree with that.
Okay, so now down here. Yeah, watch. Can you see now? You all know what's a Squid Game, right? I'm going to show you now. This.
Oh, Squid Game is sotong masak hitam, right?
Yeah, something, but that is Squid Game food. This is not the Squid Game. Watch, read the headlines. North Korea. First of all, you know what is North Korea and South Korea now? Okay, I have to show you North and South. Okay, this one is what we call firing squad. The man stands in the wall. The rest of them take their rifles and shoot him dead. Okay, you have firing squad on here. Firing squad on here. These are real pictures, but then better not show you real pictures. North Korea, South Korea. You must know what is North and South Korea. So now I'm going to take this. We take this one. Let me see.
So, but isn't it still Korea?
Yeah, there's Korea. Okay, now down here. Okay, down here, can you see? Bottom is South Korea. South Korea is where a lot of people want to be. You get your TV from there. KBS is from South. North Korea is a poor country. Okay, and what?
Sure.
Okay, now, yeah, I just show you now.
The same are the flag.
The flag. Okay, hold on now. Down here is North Korea. This is South Korea. Singapore is here. This is Japan. So North Korea and South Korea are different countries. Okay, although it's Korea. So what happened?
But do they still have the same flag?
No. Okay, North Korea, South Korea flags. So now I put flags on here. You know which one is South Korea flag, right? Which one is South Korea flag? Is this South Korea? Yes.
Yeah.
Right?
North Korea flag is like Vietnam and France mixed together, something like that.
They are close to Vietnam. Okay. I want you now
Wakaranai.
to see this one. Now watch carefully.
Which also means I don't understand.
Okay. North Korea, they are the poor country, not South Korea. South Korea rich. They execute means kill a man by firing squad. I showed you what firing squad is, right? Just now. For what? For smuggling in the Squid Game into the country. In their country, they only watch their own news, their own program. And this person went to China. One person went to China and brought back the copy of the Squid Game series. What do you think happened to him? He was killed by the firing squad. But the story does not end there. Okay. So there was a boy who is in high school. You know what's a high school? Like secondary school. He has a USB drive, like a flash disk. And it contained the show. What show? The Netflix series Squid Game. And he was sentenced to life in prison. A secondary school boy, can you imagine? Brought in the movie and was sentenced to life.
Furniture is above secondary, not in secondary.
Okay, because we don't have, okay, it's like JC lah, pre-U. Okay, now, what happened? There's some students, there were 6 others, they watched the show. What happened to them? They were sentenced to 5 years of hard labor in jail, you know, hard labor, carrying rocks and whatnot. For what? For watching the series. Now, some of you have watched the series. Maybe.
What? What do you mean?
Okay, in this country, they are not allowed to watch foreign movies. So the first person who brought in the movie, he was executed, was killed by firing squad. I showed you firing squad just now, right?
And that's so bad. The Squid Game so good.
And then next thing, the high schooler who brought the copy to the school, he was sentenced to life imprisonment. And the 6 students who watched the movie in North Korea. And then they were sentenced to 5 years of hard labor. Now, even those who are innocent were also sentenced. Let's see. I'm going to show you something now. Those not involved also punished. Huh? Really? Yes, really. Hold on now. Watch this. The school principal, poor school principal, he didn't do anything wrong. The homeroom teacher was, they have been fired from the school. And then, you see, they're expelled from the party and they will be banished, sent to a life of hard labor in the kampong areas. Can you imagine? So, you want the real Squid Game? All you need to do is buy a ticket to North Korea, not South Korea. It's a different country, and bring a foreign movie. You might just be shot by firing squad. This is the real Squid Game, right? You go to North Korea, it's a real Squid Game. Anyway, but this is true.
But teacher, that's not the real Squid Game. Real Squid Game, you get to do real what's that called? Real
but
you get to do glass bridge.
But it doesn't exist. It doesn't exist.
No, but
this one now you take a ticket to North Korea. Yes.
You get to do glass bridge, red light, green light. Then they also get to do
no such thing as Squid Game in real world.
Don't worry.
You can
I
do
know a place that contains real Squid Game.
Where?
US.
you know you can do
By Mr. Beast. One of
Mr. Base.
Oh my god, yeah.
Mr. Beast.
you know you
Okay.
can do
I want to participate, even though I'm a child.
You can
You
do
know you can what?
you
Farid?
can
It's
do
contained
red light.
also.
You can do red light, green light anywhere in the world. You just need a traffic light. You just need a traffic light.
Yeah, traffic light.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
you won't get.
No, you don't need. You just need a MP5, a Glock 19, or
Oh my goodness. Okay, come
a
here.
M4,
I realize my Squid Game story is not
M14,
has given rise
M16,
to something else.
AK-47, AK-17.
Okay
Lol.
lah.
He's going to become a terrorist.
Okay, come.
You also need a knife
Become a
and
terror
a heavy
terrorist.
sniper. You need a sniper barrel. You need
Okay, come.
suppressor so people don't shoot.
I realize now. Okay lah, we go back to kakak masak ni sotong. Come, ENF come. ENF. Oh, the way Shafia, you're chewing the food is like so delicious. You know the way.
So can you go toilet?
Okay, please go and play your Squid Game there. Okay, go red light, green light. And it doesn't come back. Why? It's not yet green light. Oh, you. Okay, go. Well done, Mr. Farish. Raidi, I think your answer, which one are you doing, Raidi? Raidi, you're careless, lah, Raidi. Come on, Raidi, stop looking around. There is no antu or whatever there. Yes, Shalina, well done. Come on, E, come on, E. Raidi, the next one, you are correct. But the first one, E. You're
I'm wrong.
Yeah, E, you're wrong. Well done,
Oh.
Farish. Hey, Farish, hold on. You're doing what?
The first one I give you is E.
Oh, yeah. So yours, okay, correct. Already, your first one, you're correct. Already. I'm confused. How many times you send the answer already? What's your first answer already? 37.
No. What? My
Okay, correct. Yours is correct. Okay.
The
very
first
easy.
answer I said is always the first question.
Okay, well done. Okay, now, so
Same.
for those of you who have problems, what problem? If you have too much information, you become confused. What you need to do is you take your book and cover this part. Don't look at this part lah. Okay, if you don't look at this part, you have only this triangle. Then you know that you can see this line. This is an isosceles triangle. These two now are the two lines that are the same. Down here, this one and this one is same. So this is the different one. This is same. This is 45. Take 180 minus 45 minus 45. You get the answer to be 90 here. You can do this quick game. Come on. Okay, the next one now. Same thing. The next one is the same thing. Down here now, this is the same. This is the same. That means this is the different angle. Take 180 minus 106. You get 74. Divide by 2. You get 37. Don't bother about all this. Okay? You can take your book and cover this. All right? Let us. So Shalina, you must divide by 2. 74 is these two. Raidi, why are you writing all bad words, Raidi? You know that I can
it's
read
not
that.
bad. Yeah.
It's not bad. It's good.
Yeah.
How do you know you can't even read that?
I can.
Okay, trapezium.
I'll tell you what it says.
No, don't tell what it says. It's bad.
It says I'm bored.
Oh, you're bored. Okay. You are the one who requested for this topic.
And now I mastered the skills.
You have not tried this one. Come on, try this one. Poo-poo is a very bad word. Hey, poo-poo is a good word. Huh? What about papa? Okay, Raidi, you're saying the first one is that I'm so sorry is wrong. Hey, it's right. Sorry, it's right. Kashwil, well done. PQ is right. Can you try B? Raidi for the second one is wrong. Come on, Raidi. You're just making careless mistakes like that. I'm just doing it on purpose. Well done, Kashwil. Congratulations, you have just overtaken Raidi. Well done, Farish. The boys are active now. Shafia, come on, Shafia. ID, well done. This might be too easy. If you cannot do the easy one, how are you going to go do the tough one? Come on. You're very easy, yeah?
Wait.
Okay, someone is saying wait. That means don't leave me behind. Okay, which is good. So you can have two lines that are parallel. Okay, I want to show you. You can draw two lines that are parallel. And then you can join them by a line like that. These two angles will be add up to 180. These two add up to 180. So this and this add up to 180. The 180 minus 116, you will get 64. Congratulations to Shafia. Same thing. 180 minus 58, use your calculator, you'll get 122, not 124. Okay, let us see how good you are. I'm gonna skip and show you a tough question. Ready, yeah? Are you ready? Here we go. Hold on, I'm gonna now. AFE, I will mark the part for you down here. He wants you to find this one. Since Riley says bored, I give you a difficult question. And now he says, I'm more bored.
Okay.
Let's see you try. Wow, so fast. And this one cannot, this red part is more than 90 degrees lah. Cannot be lesser than 90 degrees. 106, let me see. So far, no one has got it correct. Sometimes you're seeing too much information.
Am I correct?
No. We give 1 more minute. This is quite a tough question. So
Am I still
remember,
correct?
why we need to go through the easy ones? Because you need to understand. No, it's not. So sorry, not there yet. Harish, not correct. Raidi, not correct. I do not know how Raidi get the answer, but that's not the right answer. Harish answer very close, but that's not correct. If you understand the concept of quadrilaterals, you know how to do this. Okay, I will lead you through one by one. I won't tell you the answer. I won't tell you the strategy. I will leave you clues, just like Hansel and Gretel. Professor Kashwin, I'm so sorry. That is also not correct. Watcher, this is now testing your understanding of quadrilaterals. What are quadrilaterals? Quad, four-sided figure. So now, if I draw like that, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. If I add A, B, C, D, what's the total angle? Anyone know?
360.
360, good. Now, if I draw like that, A plus B plus C plus D, also 360. So now I'm going to do something to that drawing. But I want you to remember that this plus this plus this plus this is 360.
Can I go toilet? Check.
Yeah, go. This class is just inspired by toilet. Umaira, where are you, Umaira? Umaira. Must take a photo and send them up. Okay, but anyway, I'm going to show you. She don't know what she does. She not serious. Okay, watch. I'm going to remove something so that you can see better. Watch, careful. I'm going to remove something. So this is a very strange looking quadrilateral. Okay, imagine now, it's a different shape. So my question to you, if you can find this one, 360 minus this will give you this one. You can find the answer. This plus this plus this plus this equals to, according to Farish, this is a quadrilateral. It is equal to 360 degrees. Kashril, come on, Professor, come on. This is a four-sided figure, a strange looking four-sided figure. These four angles add up to 360. So how? So now you do lah. You try to find this one and this one. You can find. How? You got to go back here. Find that corner, then you can do. Alamak, you disappear already lah. What happened? Myra. Farish, where are you? Are you there, Farish? I'm using the principle. You keep showing up there. Oh, this guy, I don't know what is he doing showing up there. Are you high or something? So what is high? Myra, where do you go, Myra? I've been calling you. Now I wanted to launch a police report. Myra, you're not showing your face, Myra. I cannot see. I do not know what you're doing. You see, you just show for what? Okay, never mind. Just tell your mom. Just tell her mama. Farish, your answer is not correct still. Look, can you find this angle or not? Can you find this angle? You can. This angle is the same as this angle. Can you find it? You can. Find it lah. You are tired so fast, huh? Sorry. Can you find a right angle? Come on, come on, come on, come on. No one can find her. Ready, where you ready? Are you here? Is ready here?
Yes.
Can do not ready.
Teacher, I found a way.
I just came back.
Huh? Okay, what's the? I can find the right angle. What's the way? What's the way?
Teacher.
Yeah.
I found a way how to trick teachers to know that you're still there even if you're not.
Okay, I do not want that. We are doing this
No.
next thing.
Like, look at me. Look at me.
Ayo, this come. Let's try it now. We focus on math. I focus on math. I don't want to focus on
I'm
math.
still here. I'm still here though.
Yeah, come. Focus. Focus on this. Come on. This red angle, can you find? They tell you this is an isosceles triangle.
I gave up.
That means you see, easy question. I just give you a difficult question. Okay, now down here, I show you now, guys and girls. This one,
Now
down
I'm
here.
here. Now I'm not.
This one is the same as this one. So this one is the different angle. These two are the same. Hey, don't make noise now, please now. One person make noise, one make noise. Come on, focus. Don't want that, I think, leave the class. Okay, you don't want to focus, leave the class. I'm just want to teach those who want to learn. Down here now is 74 lah. You know it's 74, right? How?
Yeah,
you know,
but Cha.
I saw. Listen. Don't interrupt. You're making noise, this and that. Okay, this is 74. This is 74. This triangle now is 180 degrees. Take 180 minus 74, you will get 32. Same thing. This is 74. This is also 74. This one's also 32. So now how? We know this is 32. Watch carefully how I solve this. Watch carefully. Okay. I rub off this one. I rub off this one. So you know this is 32. You know this is 32. Can you find F or not? According to Farish, it says quadrilateral, all four angles add up to 360. So minus 360 minus 32, minus 32, minus 74, what do you get? And if you can find this, after that you can find this. Please solve it, please. Score. You know how to do, I give you easy one, you're bored. I give you difficult one, you give up. Aduh. Maybe it's holidays lah. But you don't have enough time. You don't have enough time. Farish is 148. Let's see what it's right. I don't think it's 1. Is it 148? I think calculation error, Farish. Use a calculator lah. Okay, I'm going to find the first angle here. According to Farish, you take 360 minus 32 minus 32 minus 74. What do you get? 360 minus 32 minus 32 minus 74. You get 222. This angle is 222. So 222 degrees. So what is this? 360 minus 222 lah. What do you get? You get 138, not 148. It's not so tough one now. But some of you are blur, see what has happened. Okay, I repeat, all angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. Look, you must be able to do this sort of question. This is like the 5-mark questions. It's not so tough. Okay. All right, I'm gonna run through now the next one. One question earlier, your try. Can you do? Okay, we take. They want you to find angle B down here. We do question B. Yeah. The whole thing here is 50 lah. But B is not 50. So one of you say the answer is 50. Well, oh, sorry. Let me just show you where is 50. 50 is not B. 50 is where? 50 is here, the whole thing. Hey, ya Allah. Cannot, why cannot? Hold on. The whole thing is 50. This plus this is 180. So Faris says 25. Okay, how you get 25? Just divide by 2 lah. Cannot do lazy method lah. Don't do lazy method. You must find out for sure. There is like a lazy method. What just divide by 2? Cannot. Yeah.
You mean the 50 then divided by 2?
I don't know. Is that no? You must not. You must find out what is 1 on here. This 1 is how much? You can find what? These angles are the same. So maybe Farish might be correct.
This one must find what?
B. You say find the mark angle B. Yeah.
A or B?
B.
Small B or big B?
Small b lah. Big B, how to find? We don't know which one is the small b. Well done, Farish, and well done, Raidi. But you cannot just divide by 2. You must do another method. Okay, B. Raidi, you look so bored, Raidi. Remember, this was requested by you, no? Now you feel got no problem already.
Sure.
Ready? Trapezium and parallelogram, you have no problem? Or which
Sure.
part? Yeah.
I think my answer already.
Okay, let me see,
Oh.
the whole thing is 50, yes. So
No,
yeah,
I mean like I think you asked me a question.
no, okay, hold on. Okay, so now Farish, I know you didn't divide by 2. Okay, so now how to do? So yeah, well done. Farish, well done. Okay. All right. So down here, these 2 angles are the same. So how to find the angle? Take 180 minus. Don't do that lah, Mr. Raidi. You want to do that? You want to play? Go and turn off the sound.
I keep on pressing mute, but then it's not muting.
Okay. So down here you get 50. 50 is for these 2. 50 divided by 2, you get 25 and 25. So there's now, some of you say the answer is 50. The whole thing here is 50. 180 minus 30, 130 give you 50 here. If this 50 minus 25, you will get 25 here. Okay, I repeat. Just now some of you, yeah, go. you say that this whole thing is 50 because this plus this must be equal to 180. You're correct. So this one is 50. Well done. But you must minus this angle lah. Just now we found out it's 25. So 50 minus 25, this one gives you 25 degrees. Okay, we move on to the next one. Okay, can you try find angle A? Not the big A, the small A. The small A. And please try. Okay, thank you for showing us the isosceles triangle. So that's a clue Professor gave. Impossible, right? Impossible. Now I get why you did not score. So all you do cincai bocai cannot. Cannot do cincai bocai, please. You must be logical, huh? Shafia too small, too small. Right, this one is too big. Shafia's one is too small. What about the rest? I'm going to draw for you in a way to help you, okay? You see whether you can see the pattern or not. Okay, this is like the top part of the trapezium. This is the side. This is, and I'm not going to join it. This is 70. How much is this total angle? This here is 70. So I like 70. This one is how much? You can find out, huh? You all know how to find out, right? Can do not? Lady, can do not? Can you find this one? Oh, cannot focus really. Come on, we got only. Parish, you said the answer is 49. Let's see whether you're correct. Okay, so I'm showing you lah. This one here is this part here. How much is this? 180 minus 70 get 110. This whole thing is 110. If you can minus this and minus this, you get A. But the whole thing is 110. So can we find this angle? Of course we can. Isosceles triangle, 70, 70, 140. 140 plus what equals to 180? Take 180 minus 140, it gives you 40. So the whole thing is 110 minus 40 minus 28. You get the answer here. The whole thing is 110 as we established just now. Minus the 40, minus the 28. You see how I get 40? Okay, if you don't understand, I'll show you down here. These two are the same. So this is 70, this is 70. 180 minus 70 minus 70 give you 40. So this is confirmed 40. Right? So 40 plus A plus 28 is equals to 110. Take 110 minus 28 minus 40, you get your answer. Which is, no one knows. 110 minus 40 is how much? 110 minus 40 is 70. 70 minus 28. Equals to 642. 42 degrees. No one has gotten it right. So this, if you find too tough, you'll go easy ones. We'll go to easy ones. Okay. I'm now going to go to easy ones. Huh? Okay, can you try question number E?
Wait, Chia, how is a right angle 85 degree?
That's not a right angle. That's 85 degree. That's why I said you cannot assume something looks like a right angle is right angle. It's not right angle. And this is also not a right angle. But these two add up to, you know how to find. Come on, come on, come on. Farish, I don't think your answer is correct. Professor, I don't think your answer is correct. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, I let you try to think for 2 minutes, okay? You must try to be able to make it. Otherwise, how are you going to make it for PSLE? If like that, you cannot tahan. Two minutes, eh? Some say 85. 70.
Is my answer correct?
Okay, we're gonna go through now. Okay, very simple. These two is a parallel lines. This one, this one and this one. These two angles add up to 180. So 180 minus 85 get 95. So your answer is 95. Well done. For those of you who got 95. This one is 95. Come on, I cannot write. Sorry, I need to. Okay. This one is 95. Now, these two angles will also add up to 90. This one and this one. So this is 180. 90 plus 90, 180. So this one must be how much? 50. Because this is 90 degrees. 90 minus 40 degrees is equals to 50 degrees. I'm sorry, my pen has gone haywire.
So did I get it correct?
Your answer is 50 here?
Yeah, it's 50.
Yes, okay, well done. Okay, so we do one last one. Before I show you something that you should know about news, but this news is not so good. Yeah. Wait now. Okay. Find PQT.
Chia, is QPT
Triangle.
yeah, it is, but then like is it like
Stop.
oh okay.
Yeah, PQT is there. Let's see now. Someone has given an answer. Yeah, take. Riley says 38. Let's see whether you're correct. What about the rest? Okay.
Am I correct?
Hold on. Your answer is wrong. So sorry. Farish is also wrong. You all make assumption wrong assumption. You have assumed this one is 32. This one is 32, correct? But you assume this is isosceles, this is 32. That is the wrong. You have not looked at the correct clue. And the correct clue gives you a very clear clue that this is a parallelogram. And according to Professor Kashril, vertically opposite angles are equal. So what is this angle? Who knows? Anyone knows that? Down here you minus, you get 72. Right? Down here will be how much?
Done, sure.
77. Yes, now your answer is correct. These two are vertically opposite angles. So this is 77, this is 72. You add together, how much you get? You get 149. You want to find this angle? 180 minus 149. Get 31. Okay, 180. What is 180? 3 angles in a triangle. Okay. Minus 79, 77, minus 72. You get 31. So not so bad, right? Okay, we do one more. Then in a while, I will show you something. Try this one now. Now this is getting more and more challenging. VSU. You're talking about this angle here. VS. You try. Go, please, Naomi, please carry on. Okay, your try, give me 1 minute. Shafia, good try. Good try, but not the right answer. Come on, you can do this. Come on. Righty, I think you have gotten good try, Righty. Not good enough. Anyway. Easy lah. I tell you, this is a very easy question now.
Did I get it correct or wrong too?
What's your answer? 84. Wrong, huh? I show you, you will say it's very, very easy. I show you, huh? Can I show you? Watch, huh?
No, don't.
Don't show.
Wait until everyone answers. Yeah.
Can I show? I show, huh? Now, huh? Watch. You do the Z. You don't want to do the Z, you do use the Z. Can you see not? This angle is the same as this angle. So I'm going to clear it. Hold on. Huh? So this angle is the same as this angle. Zing, zing, zing. You know about this, not? Have we done this this year? Have, right? When you have like this angle and this angle is the same. Like a Z like that. If this is parallel, these two angles are the same. So this is also 42. Now look carefully at this diagram. They put these marks. That means this is isosceles triangle. This one is also 42. Answer is 42 dah. Finish. Can see that? This is also 42. Okay, we go on to the last one. Your very, very last one. And go. You want to find the red part, DXA. Apa itu, Professor? Are you sure they are the same? Yes. Okay. So we do it nicely. We do it nice. Oh, sorry. We do it. Okay, down here. He says it's a rhombus, so Kasho says this is the same as this. Which also the same as this. Which also the same as this. Okay, correct. Well done. Okay, good. $99. Someone says 99. Can or not? I'll give you 1 more minute. What happened to Shalina? Prof says 108. Too big. I think it's too big.
How?
Umara say 95. Let me look at this girl. Where is she? I got a feeling she might be just guessing. Myra, you guess. You guess. Myra, show me your face. Just showing you the forehead only. Okay. Shalina can do no, Shalina. Shalina also stoned already. Hey, you all are high taking drugs, what?
So, is this
Yeah.
correct or wrong? Is
Okay,
it too high or too big?
Yeah,
Too
it's
big or
possible.
too
It's
small?
possible. It's possible. Let's see.
How about
Okay.
me? The latest.
Okay, I think yours might be too big, but maybe I might be wrong. Okay. Okay. Now we do step by step. Now this whole thing, according to Prof. Ashwell, opposite, vertically opposite are the same. So this is 54. This whole thing is 54. 54 minus 18 is how much? 54 minus 18. Can you find out? Okay, I dare not do my mental calculation now. It's 36. This is 36. You know? Okay, and then can you find this angle? Yes, because these two angles are the same. 180 minus 54, you get what? 126. 126 divided by 2, this is 63. This time 63. This is also 54, you know, whole thing 54. This one is also 63. This one is also 63. Now you have 63. 36. What is this? 180 minus 63 minus 36. What do you get? Did anyone get the answer? 180 minus 63 minus 36. 81. Anyone got 81? Only Shalina got 81. And the last one. Okay. 81 now, Riley used to get 81. Okay. I'll just share you one story on mothership. I do not know whether you all know about this or not. Or maybe it's gonna end now. You wanna end now? Yeah? No, don't wanna. You all look very bored. I think you wanna end now. Okay, no. Okay, story. Sorry. Okay, now can see this one. Now we go to Singaporean dies in car. Okay, and then this is mothership. So this is what happened to this guy. A man who's 39 years old, he's found dead in his car. Now, I do not know whether you know this, but this type of case accidents has happened many times. Okay, so when? I'm going to show you now. Okay, man dies in car, aircon problem. Okay, I do not know whether this is because aircon. So let's see now. This is in India now. This man, I do not know whether this is the one. Maybe this is not him. He is found dead after sleeping in the car. Why? Because there's something wrong with the aircon on. So you know what's carbon monoxide? You know what's carbon monoxide? Carbon monoxide comes out from the exhaust pipe, and then it might go back inside if let's say there's some issue. So what do you need to do? You need to make sure that the window of the car is open slightly. Okay, you have all this. I think these are people who died in the car. You can see all this. Some of them down here. It's dangerous to sleep in a car down here. Can you see?
Wow, so sad. Just people fixing aircon and they die. So
No,
sad.
not fixing aircon. You see, you must understand that what they're saying now. If you close up your window and then the engine is running, the fumes will enter into the car. May enter. It's not confirmed. Not confirmed. You're gonna die inside. Then you might not have air to breathe. You will be breathing in smoke. You will die. Last time, I had no place to stay. I stayed in my car. After the divorce, I had no place to stay. I stayed in my car. I slept in the car for 6 hours, but I did not die. One of the reasons why is because I opened up the windows to allow the carbon monoxide to go out, if in case there's a leakage. And that's why I'm still here. So the point is, don't just enjoy yourself in the car with the aircon on for long periods of time. Long periods is how long? 1 hour or more. It's like carbon dioxide. Yes. Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
But then your parents is like in the car and then you sleep while the aircon is on.
Okay,
But then you still don't have.
there was this case in Singapore car park. This man, a married man, he went out with his girlfriend and they parked inside the car park, multi-story car park, and both of them were dead in Singapore. You know that? So, and why? They were just sitting there for 1 hour with the aircon on, talking to one another. They died. So the point is, you should not leave your aircon on while the engine is running and then your windows are closed. Open up your windows so that the bad gas can go out. You see? Imagine like if you kentut inside a car, and you kentut, 1 hour you kentut, inside you feel everywhere smells like tai. But this tai is not dangerous, right? Now it's carbon monoxide. It's lethal. All right, I will be sending you the homework. Those of you who did not complete, please complete it by next lesson. Those of you who have finished,
Sayonara.
please send.